千萬，但最終推遲上市。歐洲股市全線向下。美元匯價日元138.158，英鎊1.3092，澳元0.681，歐元1.1243。財經消息到呢度，多謝收睇。
現在係標準時間凌晨12:15。
各位，本港舊年經濟按年收縮3.5%，仍然比2009年金融海嘯時更差。其中第四季本地生產總值按年跌4.2%，外貿表現持續受壓。季度進出口總額按年分別跌大約2.3%同埋近2.5%。不過私人消費終止前3季跌勢回復增長，按年升1.7%。總結全年經濟按年收縮3.5%，跌幅僅次於疫情第一年。而展望未來，政府話經濟活動復常能夠提振私人消費，勞工市場強勁，亦都將會提供額外支持，固定資產投資亦都受惠。詳情請留意11.3晚間新聞。澳門上個月博彩收入超過115億澳門元，按年升82%。有學者預計澳門博彩業今年全年收入將會超過政府預期嘅1300億。由駐澳門記者黃慧芝報導。
受惠防疫措施放寬，澳門上月博彩收入遠好過市場預期。1月博彩收入超過115億澳門元，係自2020年1月疫情以嚟嘅高位。有學者認為，博彩業1月大收受惠於遊客嘅大幅回升。澳門舊年通過新博彩法，收緊中介人嘅服務，依賴中介人服務嘅貴賓廳目前基本上停止。澳門博彩業能唔能夠恢復至疫情前嘅水平呢？
恢復到疫情之前可能就不現實了。第一個，那當然就是貴賓廳這個影響，對這遊客的遷出呢，還是有限制的。而且澳門特區政府現在的重點也不是發展博彩了。你看新的賭牌、持牌公司的投資重點都在非博彩方面。
曾中樂又話，由於最大嘅威脅疫情已經消除，預計總體嚟講，今年全年博彩收入能夠穩步增長，超出政府預期嘅1300億澳門元，甚至有望恢復至疫情前2019年大約5至6成嘅水平。無線電視駐澳門記者黃慧芝報道。
新聞提要報道完。
從不停步，堅守完美態度。
TVB 48週年
Happy Birthday！
Hey, this is Cole, and a little thing I love about the Chick-fil-A Spicy Pretzel Cheddar Club is the spicy filet with the pretzel bun. You get a new flavor with a new texture. It's toasted on the outside, but the inside is soft, and then you hit the spicy chicken filet, and it's like, whoa.
Real guests paid for their testimonial.
One All-American Club combo, extra jalapeno. Shooter likes it hot.
For just $1 more, you can make it a Happy Gilmore meal and collect all 4 cups.
Happy Gil, my God! No, just make it a meatball marinara meal.
Do you want to make that a Happy Gilmore meal for just $1 more?
So you're saying you can defile any meal and make it a Happy Gilmore meal?
People are really excited about it.
Well, I'm not. What's in that anyway? Shame, agony, bunch of napkins?
Actually, it's any sub, chips, drink, and a collectible cup.
That's ridiculous. It should be on those cups.
Hey, Shooter, you earned these cups.
Wow, that is one good-looking cup, Bryson DeChambeau.
All you have to do is order the Happy Gilmore meal.
Or, hear me out.
Hey, Shooter and Gavin stole my cup.
Shoot out.
What makes Sam Adams American Light the most premium light beer, it was awarded the best light beer in America and is made with 100% American ingredients. Sam Adams American Light, America's most premium light beer.
Hold on, guys. I actually think this is our year.
Oh, no.
Jaden Daniels, Super Bowl.
What? No. When pigs fly.
You rang.
The Pope said Caleb been the best race beat.
Lions hunting Super Bowls, biting kneecap energy.
Blizzard on the field.
We got a 3-head ego.
ATL always a ton.
I'm on a dolphin, not the float.
Cut. Guys, my legs are chafing. I need some baby powder, seriously.
Travis Hunter done for trouble. Lights out in the black hole.
Joe, cool, icy cold. It's time to rock and roll.
Giant size hopes you can handle the risk.
But you gotta beat the champs, cause you know what it is.
就俾翻啲私人時間你自己享受下。
天生雪蓮咯，我覺得咧黎總係玩我哋咯，佢自己自嗨我，咁樣睇住我哋。開出嚟啊！
雙真有幸三，星期六晚8點半 TVBJ 翡翠台。
你以為嘅港姐出埠，享受親善；現實嘅港姐出埠。
佢係我，真係有啲覺得好攰，好多時候都做得唔好，即係呢樣嘢唔係我想㗎嘛。
5個旅程10集挑戰，港姐爭勝評得分。2024香港小姐旅遊記，今晚10點35分，翡翠台。
翡翠台精彩節目已暫時播映完畢，請喺稍後6點繼續收睇。